Claude gets PDF invoices wrong about 30% of the time when you drag and drop them. If you're a solopreneur trying to automate invoice processing, contract review, or any document with tables, you've probably seen the AI hallucinate line items, swap totals, or invent vendor names. Today I'll show you the exact three-step pre-processing pipeline I run in production on hundreds of real supplier invoices with measured accuracy at every stage. Most tutorials tell you to convert PDFs to markdown. For tabular documents, that's backwards. Unless I build these systems for clients daily. Let's start with the failure. Nobody screenshots. Here's the scenario you probably recognize. A small business owner gets 50 supplier invoices a week. Each one is a PDF. Each one has a header block, a vendor name, a date, and a table of line items with quantities, unit prices, taxes, and totals. The dream is simple. Upload the PDF, get back clean, structured data, push it into the accounting system. So you open Claude, drag the PDF in, and ask for the line items as JSON. And about a third of the time, something is wrong. A row is missing. 2 line items got merged. The unit price ended up in the quantity column. The total is off by a decimal. On a clean digital invoice from a big supplier, you might not notice. On a scanned PDF from a small vendor with a custom layout, it falls apart. I learned this measuring real accuracy on a production invoice pipeline. Direct PDF upload to Claude on messy real-world supplier invoices landed at about 71% line item accuracy. 7 out of 10 rows correct. That's not good enough to automate anything. If you have to manually verify every invoice, you haven't saved any time. Now, the standard advice you'll find in every tutorial is convert the PDF to markdown first. Use PDF Planner. Use PMUPDF. Extract the text. Hand Claude clean markdown. And it does help. On the same invoices, markdown conversion pushed accuracy to around 84%. Better. But still not production ready. And here's why. Markdown is a one-dimensional format. Tables in Markdown are an approximation. When PDF Plumber extracts a table from a PDF, it has to guess column boundaries from whitespace. On invoices with merged cells, multi-line descriptions, or tables that span page breaks, that guess is wrong often enough to break the pipeline. You lose spatial structure, and for tabular documents, spatial structure is the information. So here's the fix I run in production. Convert each PDF page to a PNG image, send the images to Claude's Vision API, and ask for structured JSON output with a strict schema. That's it. 3 steps. On the same supplier invoices, this pushes accuracy to about 97%. Let me walk you through it. Step 1. Take the PDF and rasterize each page at 200 dpi. In Python, that's PMUPDF, about 5 lines of code. Open the document, iterate pages, render each page to a pixmap. Save as PNG. Don't go below 150 dpi, or small text in tables gets blurry. Don't go above 300 dpi, or you're burning tokens for no accuracy gain. 200 is the sweet spot I landed on after testing. Step 2. Build a strict JSON schema for what you want extracted. If you're processing invoices, contracts, or any tabular PDFs, and you want this kind of pipeline built and running in your business, see real examples of what we ship for clients at BizflowAI.io. Hit subscribe and ring the bell so the next production breakdown finds you.